What's up, guys? It's your boy Jimmy Fisher coming back here with another video. Come on, man. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, bro. Hey, let me tell y'all, this car, bro, it been driving real reckless, alright? It been running red lights, running stop signs, and we meet up on the highway. Like, just go. Like, I'd rather somebody go in front of me than than me go first, because I don't trust nobody, right? You think you finna go, you think you got the right of way, then somebody says no, you get hit off the bike. When you're on the bike, you always lose the battle with a car. So if you ride bikes, don't even risk it, all right? So I allow people to go. Like, I'm such a nice driver and friendly. Like, I allow people to cut me and go first when I'm on a motorcycle. When I'm on a car, it's a different thing. But when I'm on a bike, just go, bro. Get out my way, clear it out, so I can feel more safe. But anyways, what's up, guys, man? Today we here. We're going to meet up with my boy right now. He got a Gixxer 1000. We finna go on a little nice ride out, nice little cruise. You know what I'm saying? I think it's four of us meeting up. My boy AJ, my boy Kai, and my boy Rasta. So Rasta got a Gixxer 1000. We're gonna meet up with him right now. He's at Taco Bell waiting for me right now. I think he got like a '07 Gixxer 1000. Kai has a 09, I believe, R6 special edition, I believe. And AJ has a Kawasaki. I'm not sure what year he has. But we finna link up. It feels good being on this 1000. And by the way, this is my first time recording on the GoPro on the helmet. I ordered a shin mount. I installed it. Waited over 24 hours. And now we rocking. It feels a little sturdy. But we're going to see how it rock out. And look, people like this. Look at this car, bro. People like this should not be driving. No way you're breaking through the whole curve of the exit, bro. Like, let me go around this car, because this is ridiculous. Look at this, man. Like, oh, man, come on, man. But, yo, this is my first time on a GoPro, man. I'm praying it doesn't fall off, yo. I'm praying it doesn't fall off. Like, honestly, man. The quality looks amazing, but just hopefully this shim out don't fail. Should we go right, left, right, left, right, left? We're going to go with the left. We're going to go left. I should have went right, because I would have been a quicker route. But we just take the left, We're going to get there. But like I said, man, this is my first time on the GoPro. This quality is so damn crispy, bro. 5.3K, you know what I'm saying? Then also, I'm recording on the Insta360, as you can see, the X3, the newest version. It's my favorite camera, man. I honestly love the X3. It's pretty reliable. It's so dope, guys. Like, you don't have to touch it, move it, anything. It just basically does everything for you. Like, right now, it's recording everything around me right now, so if you guys are looking for a motovlog camera and you guys are trying to decide between the GoPro or the 360, I'm probably going to say get the 360, man. And you can get both. Definitely get both, because I'm rocking the GoPro 11. Look at his car. Like, look what I'm talking about. Like, bro, it's green. Like, go. And this dude just chilling with his window down. Like, come on, man. But like I said, like, if y'all looking at motovlog, I'm going to do a video soon of my motovlog setup. Hopefully this GoPro works out. The GoPro is pretty good. It's just a shin mount. I kind of don't trust the shin mount like that, man. I'm hearing a lot of bad stories about it. People said they shin mount flying off and stuff like that. So hopefully I'm good. Hopefully mine don't fall on me. I follow all the directions step by step. And hopefully everything works out. But yeah, so we about to go meet up with my boy. We're going to go to a nice ride to this spot. It's called like Baconstead or something like that. So we're going to go meet up with all the guys. I need to get some gas too. And by the way, I know this street, so please don't judge. I know this street 100%. It's a super slow street, all right? So I know what I'm doing, all right? But anyways, I'm going to need some gas, because my gas light is literally blinking on and off. And I know my bike, but I don't want to risk it. So make sure I stop to grab some gas before we, take off, hit the highway. And I'm honestly like super happy about this setup, man. Like, I invested in my craft. I love motorcycles. This is what I like to do. And I invested. I got sent the X3. I got the GoPro 11. Two of the newest cameras on the damn market. Two of the best motovlog cameras, like requirement cameras on the market. I invested in myself, man. This is my craft, man. So this is what I like to do. I also got to go get some tank pads for my tank, bro. I need some tank grips. But other than that, man, I've been loving this bike. Like I said, this is my first leader bike, Gixxer 1000. Super fast, torquey, powerful. I have no complaints about it. I honestly can't see myself downgrading to like a 600, going from 1000, because I just don't feel like it's worth downgrading. So if you get a 1000, I don't know how people say they'd be going back to like a 600. It just doesn't make sense to me. We're gonna have to take a left up here. It's a red light. They got a green light. We gonna go ahead and take the green light. We just gonna bust a UE at the top up here. Yeah, so like people be saying that yo they went from 1,000 to 600 because it's too fast or it's boring. I don't understand how a leader bike can be boring. Like that just don't make sense, bro. I don't know. People be saying anything on like the forums and on the internet. Gonna bust a U-turn here. Yes, sir. But yeah, people be saying anything on the internet, bro. Like some dude said he went from 1,000 to 600 because he felt like the 1,000 was born in a city. Is this a cop? Ooh, I thought that was a cop. Yeah, they gotta get rid of those fake cop cars, bro. Like nobody should be allowed to have a car that has the police options on it. All right. But yeah, like I said, man, people just be talking. I don't know how a Gixxer 1000 is born in the street city ride, and like I love the 1,000. I only need one gear, honestly, in the city. I can ride first and second all day long. Then I usually use third. Third is my favorite gear, but like I'm gonna be honest with y'all, on these leader bikes, you don't need 4, 5, and 6. You really don't need 3, but 4, 5, and 6 are really irrelevant unless you just want to really, maximize your bike. But riding around like this, I could just sit in first and second all day, and I could just chill. I don't have to shift up or anything like that. It's honestly amazing. And the 600, like on a highway, you really have to grind the gears to like really go. On this, you just tap it, bro, and you're at 60. You know what I'm saying? So I'm honestly in love with a leader bike. People kept saying, "Don't get a leader bike. Don't get a leader bike. It's not worth it." Leader bikes are like driving damn Lamborghinis through your damn legs, bro. So I have no complaints. I highly recommend a 750 if you can get that. So you can have be a little faster than a 600. Look at my boy right there. Look at him laying on his bike. Big Gixxer 1000, man. We the Gixxer 1000 brothers out here, man. It's my first time riding with another 1000 right now. When I had this bike, I'm used to riding with people with 600s and like 750s and 400s and three, and all the little bikes.
What up?
Yes, sir.
Where are you meeting you? Are you getting your bike right now?
Man, thing look good, yo.
Huh? You ordering food? You gotta wash it. It's just been sitting.
Where? I need to wash too.
I didn't have a back tire on it. That's a brand new tire I just put on it.
I like that gold.
Yeah, it's different, right?
Yeah, I ain't see that.
I'm missing just a little carbon fiber and it was blowing on the highway.
It flew off?
Yeah.
Word?
So what were you saying, bro? Because we gotta get Goof too right now.
1,000. You feel me?
I like it.
Sir. You got a pipe on there or you straight pipe?
It got a flange. It don't got no full exhaust though. But fucking, I was thinking of putting mine back to like the stretch.
Yeah. Oh, it is.
They're just blocks. You can take them out and close back in. So I was thinking of getting closing it back up.
That go fire, yo.
Yeah, I gotta wash it. It look better when it's all clean.
Word.
I ain't been on it in like a month. This
Word.
Second day on it or something like that. Second or third day. We about to ride to Windsor, get Kaishan, and then get my boy AJ.
Word. For sure. It said that's a 1,000 too, right?
Yeah. We the only 1,000s right now.
You was debating on getting a 1,000? You was debating on getting one, or you was like?
Nah, hell no. It was 1,000 or nothing.
Oh.
I ain't want a 600 again because Troop let me hold his R6 for a while that he showed to my cousin.
Yeah.
And I was rinsing it on the highway, and I was like, nah, I'm not scared of it. So I needed something I was scared of that would make me back off.
Yeah, it definitely make you back off.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
You be changing the modes and shit?
Nah.
Nah. I be changing into the modes. And
Word?
yeah.
Nah, I was strange. 600 ain't messing with this at all.
Huh?
600 ain't messing with this at all.
No.
Cause I was getting bored of it, low key. Like,
Yep.
when you with other people, you like, damn.
I can't keep up, like, cause they just accelerate.
Yeah.
Fast. So it make you feel like it's shit slow when it's really not.
It's really not.
Like,
Yeah.
Like you want to be up top.
Alright guys, so we finna head and go pick up my boy Kai and AJ right now. My boy bike is super loud. Like he's damn near straight pipe, like noxious loud. I thought I wanted to be straight pipe, but I don't think I can do it, bro. His bike is super loud, man. I have a whole full exhaust system. Look at this dude, bro. He's crazy. But yeah, I have a full exhaust system, double Yoshi, you know what I'm saying? I didn't like it at first, but it actually sounds pretty amazing and I love it. But we're finna go pick these guys up. I need gas. You guys can see my gas lights blinking. So on these Gixxers, it doesn't tell you when the gas is low. It blinks when it's low, and when it's not blinking and it's just orange, it means, yeah, you're about to run out of gas. So right now, I should be able to get on the highway and make it. We need to go pick up my boy Kai. He needs gas too, so we all can go to the gas station at the same damn time. No way my GoPro just flew off my helmet, bro. Oh my god, bro. My shin mount just flew off my helmet. This is why I didn't want to use shinmount.com. Brand new, bro. No damn way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, Mike. No.
I knew it, yo. What's that? The GoPro. I knew it, yo. What happened? It flew off. Damn. Huh? Yeah. Damn. That's crazy. My GoPro flew off. Man. Fuck 10 mounts, bro. That's crazy.